Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys had a great one. And I just wanted to go ahead and share a little bit of my day with you guys. I started off by making some mashed potatoes to take to grandma's house. We all sort of took a little bit of everything, and I decided to help out with the mashed potatoes. Sebastian loves them, which is why he kept bugging me to get some potatoes. But I'm just gonna cut them up and then add them in the boiling water so that they can cook all the way through. And all I did was add some salt to my water, and that's about it. So there they go into the boiling water, and I'm just gonna let them cook all the way through until they are soft. Then when they are already done, I strain them, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add a whole stick of butter and a half, and that is just gonna make them so creamy. I also added 3 cups of whole milk, and this just gives it that creaminess. I know some people use whipping cream or heavy whipping cream. I'm not sure if that's what it's called, but I just used regular milk. And this is the first time that I'm gonna add this garlic spread. I have used this for my bread to make garlic bread, but this time I decided to add a little bit to my mashed potatoes just to see if it worked out. And normally if I'm cooking for this many people, I won't mess with my recipes just because I already know it's good and I don't want to ruin it. But I don't think I could go wrong with some garlic butter, which is why I went for it. And I never used to make my mashed potatoes with sour cream, but my husband started cooking mashed potatoes with sour cream, and I really loved the texture that it gave it. So I went ahead and used almost a whole little tub of the Daisy sour cream, and I just feel like it gives it a really good flavor. If you guys don't like sour cream or don't like how it sounds, then I would skip it because I've done that before where I don't use the sour cream. But it does definitely give it a different flavor, and it's really good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give this a little stir, and then I'm gonna add the garlic salt. I know I'm not the only one who doesn't just wing it or go with their gut on how much to add. I've heard and seen other people who just do it, so I'm honestly not sure how much garlic salt I added. I wish I could tell you, but I just went for it. Like whatever I felt was enough is when I stopped. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of black pepper. And again, this is to your own liking. I ended up tasting it and it was perfect. I didn't add any more, and sometimes I do taste it and I do have to add more, but this time I didn't. And I do have the machine to make mashed potatoes, but I decided to go ahead and do this by hand. And I did get tired, but I didn't stop. And I know it looks like it's a lot of milk, but you guys will see that once I smashed all my potatoes, it ended up being just perfect. So here I'm just serving it onto a container so that I can take it to grandma's. And just look at how creamy those mashed potatoes look. I honestly wish you guys could try them. Even my husband said that today's mashed potatoes were really delicious. I do think it did have to do a lot with the garlic spread and the sour cream. It just made it so much yummier. So if you guys do decide to give this a try, I really hope you guys like it, because we sure did. My family loved it as well. And of course, I'm gonna go ahead and share the yummy ham, our kung pao turkey that my aunt makes, mashed potatoes, corn, and also potato salad. My aunt makes such a delicious kung pao turkey. Guys, before I did not like turkey, and once she started making that, we just all love it. And then here is more food. ¿Esto qué es?
Esto es salsa de habanero, de chile manzano.
Okay.
Ooh. You like that piece?
Yes. Hey.
Mire, ni parpadea. Mírela. Grandpa, ¿qué piensa? ¿Qué piensa de las fotos?
¿Por qué quieren tanta foto? Cada rato fotos. Ay.
entiendo yo cada cuestión.
Mamá, son las fotos de recuerdo.
Ay, ustedes, que no se ve bien.
Mami, el día que te moramos, ¿cómo nos van a recordar?
Ay, pues así muertas.
Ay, padrecita, ándale, ven.
Mira lo que viene a ver.
Es que Camila me las regaló.
Viene.
Mira lo que tengo para ti, bebé. Que de coca. Le vamos a dar un poquito de coca. Todo el día me he maltratado. Te voy a cobrar a ti. ¿Eh?
Alabío, alabao, alabim bomba, mi abuela, ra. Todos están, todo, ¿qué sí? Oh, let me see, tío, your gorro. Oh. And this one too.
Sí, de ladito.
Check one right now. I'm gonna get you check. The way he looks.
Órale, ¿qué pasa esa? Aquí recogiendo.
Okay, hold on.
¿Por qué no?
Go grab some. You can grab some.
Qué castigo. Órale, aquí por
Pajarito.
guajolotote que nos acabamos de comer.
Gabo. Así. Ay, qué bonita, sí.
Nomás mire perfecto.
A ver. Ay, qué bonita.
Panza. Cálmate.
Cheese. Acá. Sí. Grandpa. A ver, dale uno a él, mam.
Mi vida, mi reina.
¿Quieres una?
Vengo a llenarte de besos. ¡Ay! Finalmente, toma, aquí están, llénate, cabrona.
¿Así?
Ay, morir de ella.
A verlos.
A ver, Damián, tú tienes una cámara de... Graba eso cuando llegue tu papá.
¿Está bueno? ¿Está bueno, Grandpa?
Tu mamá. Es lo que le llaman así, parece que la persona rompió.
No, ya no te podemos dar comida.
¿Está bueno, tío?
Pues el billete de 1000, cabrona, ya no te quiero.
Bye, tío.
Ahora sí voy a llegar. Mi amor, acaricia a tu bebé.